Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhavna's Beauty World. I'm Bhavna. In today's video, I'm going to show you different kinds of eyeliner look which you can wear also in your hooded eyes. So without further ado, let's start the video. Firstly, I'm going to show you some eyeliner looks with liquid liner. For that, I'm using Lakme Insta Liner, which is a liquid liner. I'm using the liner from the very close to my lash line, from the inner corner to the outer corner, just drawing a simple line, and this is our first eyeliner look. Now for the second eyeliner look, I'm just drawing simple line like the previous, but this line will be more thicker than the previous. You can build it up and create more thicker and thicker line as mentioning or comparing to your eye size. My eye is hooded eye, so I should make thin liners, not more thick, so it depends on your eye size. So the third eyeliner look is inspired from the 90s heroines. In 90s we can see the eyeliner look is very wingy type, and they have wings in the outer corner, a very long wing. All you have to do is create a very thin line like the first one and then add a very long wing in the outer corner. You can wear this with your sari or any other Bengali look, also with your polka dot shirts. The number 4th eyeliner look is very easy if you can do the third one. All you have to do is create a wing in the outer corner and same as in the inner corner. You can increase the length of the wing as you wish. The number 5 eyeliner is same as the number 4 eyeliner. I just show you how it seems with short wings. The 6th number eyeliner is a very simple eyeliner like the 4th or 5th. All you have to do is create a short wing only in the outer corner, but there is no wing in the inner corner. The number 7 eyeliner look is Barbie doll. I named it because it will give you a Barbie doll kind of vibe. All you have to do is create the 6th number eyeliner with a thick wing, or you can thicken it from the inner corner to the outer corner till the wing. silver eyeliner is made with kohl pencil. You can create this eyeliner with kohl pencil or any other creamy textured pencils or creamy textured eyeliners. All you have to do is just create a line close to your lash line. It will not so thick and not so thin, and on the upper eyelid you can create this kind of eyeliner. You can also use this pencil in your water lines. That will give you another vibe, but I like to do only in my eyelids. The last but not least, this is my most favorite eyeliner look. This is kinda winged graphic eyeliner look. All you need a gel liner and you have to create this kind of look. You can see in the video it's very difficult to describe it, so I'm showing you in the video, and you have to see step by step how I created it. You can wear this with your falsies, with your makeup looks, without makeup looks, anytime, and this will give you a very special kind of eyeliner look. I love it, and I recommend you, please try this at home, and you can see how amazing, how beautiful this eyeliner look. And it was all about my today's video. If you guys like my videos, you can check out my other videos. I'll link that in the description box. My social links will be linked down in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon beside, and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Okay, so watch the till the end of this video, and I'm taking departure from here. Tata.